I wanted to give you an idea of what it costs to replace your flooring in an upstairs hall bathroom. My clients will typically purchase the tile thin set in Grout and have it delivered, although other arrangements can be made for delivery. I prefer to draw a floor plan to scale so I can see how the tile will lay out in the room, avoid problematic cuts in tiles that would be impossible to wrap around certain cabinet or doorway areas, and ensure the client will be happy with the tile layout. For this project, the client removed the toilet and the carpet himself to save some money, and we started the tile demo. Next, we removed the existing floor tile in the toilet tub shower room. With the old tile and hardy removed, we can start the tile prep work. We always install a 1/4-inch hardy cement backer board on the plywood subfloor with a thin set mortar underneath, and attached with 1¼ inch hardy screws spaced every 8 inches in the field and 8 inches along the perimeter, about 1 inch away from the edge. If you'd like to get an estimate for your bathroom project, please contact Craftsman Connection.